This is 2015 Mercedes-Benz ML350, the SUV. Okay, this is the first time need the front rotor and the brake. Okay, basically take the tires off and make sure you open up the reservoir, brake reservoir on the top, the cap, and then you remove the caliper over there. Then this is the bracket. The catch is the 21mm bolt in the back, right here. These two, you remove the bracket right here, the caliper, okay? And I press it in already. Make sure you hang this caliper, okay? Otherwise, you see that hose, that would probably might be snapped, okay? And this is the 21, and then make sure your tool or your leverage, you got enough leverage, because I think they put it Loctite in there, so I have to use the big gun, the Milwaukee. This is like a 800 or 1,000, that kind of pump with the fax head, 21mm, all right, to lose the bolt. And use the T30 to remove this screw, secure screw for the rotor. And this caliper pin, you gotta use the hex, 10mm hex, okay? Like this. Put it in just like that, in the back, two of them, perfectly, okay? Yes, that's the 1/4 inch, or 3/8, I think. Yeah, 3/8. All right, to lose that. Then this is the bracket right here. Later, put this back on. Always use this anti-seize on each corner here when put the brake pad on. All right, this is the holder for the tire, because the rotor is flat. There's nothing to hold. That's why I got this, especially for the German car, Mercedes or BMW. All right, so this rotor is gone. The new one got two, so basically it's just clean this and put the rotors on and screw the rotor. Then put the bracket on, then put the pad in and the caliper. Okay, that's it. Basically, this the front brake rotor job for the Mercedes. Okay, ML350. Not too fancy. The rear one, actually, you have to on your dash, in the car, you have to turn that into service, into the brake, and that will release the electronic, that kind of the emergency brake for the rear brake. The front one, you don't need to. Okay, that's it. Simple as that. And that's it. You got this 10mm hex, and that's the T30. And for the bracket, it's a 21mm. Okay, that's it. I think you get it. Good luck too.